Kwendeke ingwijikhwebu kuleli cala la Senzo Meyiwa njengoba lo ummelli lommela labasolwa labane labasolwa ngekubulala Meyiwa utitfole naye sekaboshiwe. Advocate Malesela Teffo uboshwe itolo nakuphela tinhlelo tenkantolo lephakeme yasePitoli. Teffo uboshelwe kungaveli kabili enkantolo yamantji eHillbrow lapho abukene khona nemacala ekweca nobe kungena endzaweni langakavumeleki kuyo. Akusiko kwekucala ukuthi athole incwadi legunyata kuvela kwakhe kule nkantolo.
Having considered the amount of bail that was suggested by the state and having considered the submission by the defense to counter that submission by the state, I'm of the view that in light of the fact that this is the second time that the accused has not appeared in this court, and this is the second time that a warrant of arrest was authorized, issued, and executed against the accused, I'm of the view that an amount of 10,000 rands is suitable, reasonable, and justified.
Angahle abukane nalamanye emacala.
It is unfortunate that the accused before court wants to play victim when he in fact is the one who should have been responsible enough to attend court, and obviously once he's in contravention of a court order for him to appear in court, it is an offense, and as the NPA we need to take the necessary action.
Njengoba asabukene netinkinga takhe kumnyalo kuseta uqhubeka nekumela labasolwa labane kuleli cala la Meyiwa.
I'm not broken. I'm determined because I know the reason why this is happening.
The NPA assisted us a lot yesterday. We left this morning 1 o'clock with 2 prosecutors, the senior and the junior. We are trying to locate the doggett. The doggett was in Binoni in the house of one brigadier. Whereas we waited for the doggett here, it never come to court.
Teffo kulindeleke ukuthi avele enkantolo yamantji eHillbrow ngamhlati nge-27 kule nyanga. Kanti kuyobe sekusele emalanga lama-3 ukuthi achubeke naleli cala la Meyiwa enkantolo lephakeme yaseGauteng.